Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're adding this donation impact section to your store, and honestly, it's such a powerful way to build trust and connection with your customers by showing them the real difference their purchases are making. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into how to add it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Then click on the first link that shows up. This will take you straight to the official store. Now type Section Kit here, click on it and install it. The installation process is really simple, just like installing any other app. After the installation, now go to Explore Sections and search for Donation Banner. Here you'll find this section. Click on More Info and purchase it. I already have this section, so I'll just go to My Sections and look for the same section we just purchased. Click on Customize and choose your favorite theme. It is installed successfully. Now open it in Theme Customizer and give it a moment to load. Now go to Add Section and search for Donation Banner. Select that section and it will be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, we'll add a background image behind the text like this. I'm just adding some random images here to show you how it works, since I don't have any product images ready. But if you want to use this section on your own e-commerce store, you can add whatever image fits your brand right here. Now this block on the right is showing up empty, and this is where you can add your own content too. This part is completely up to your own creativity, and how you choose to customize this section really depends on you. And this badge here is actually interactive. You can add a link behind it too, whether it's to a product or any external website or your social media page. Just scroll down, and honestly, the customization never really ends here. Things like the font family, font size, padding, and pretty much everything else you see on screen is fully adjustable. Same goes for this section's background color or this button's color, and there's so much more you can play around with. Alright, I won't bore you any further, just head over to the description, install it, and start customizing it for your own store. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like and comment below if you run into any problems. I read every comment and I'm always happy to help.